Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
Video we are going to discuss latest job openings in Coimbatore location. Attention, please don't pay money for any kind of job. Firstly, there is a job opening for customer support executive from Isha Foundation. It is located in Coimbatore location and job responsibilities are mentioned here. Please go through it once. For this job position, education qualification will be any degree. Skill competencies, communication and technical understanding is must. 0 to 3 years of experience is needed for this job position. Gender also any and I mean both for both males and females can be eligible to apply for this job position. And interested candidates, please send your resume to this provided email ID and you can contact with the phone numbers also. There is a job opening for client partner non-clinical documentation services from Access Healthcare Service located in Coimbatore location. Job description is provided here. Job requirements is also mentioned here. That is graduates in any non-engineering courses, people who have completed a 3-year diploma course may also can apply for this job position. Basic typing 20 WPM and good communication skills is needed. Willingness to work in different shifts. Preference will be given to healthcare BPO professionals with experience in non-voice process, good typing and interpersonal skills along with a good overall performance track record is needed. Please check with the job requirements provided here. Interested candidates, please send your resume to this provided email ID and also you can contact with the phone number provided here, that is 7339111250. Next, there is a job opening for Tamil teacher. They are hiring for middle school Tamil teacher for their Coimbatore center. It is located in Coimbatore location. They are offering a salary for this position is 35,000 rupees per month. It is for female candidates. Education qualification will be BA or MA in Tamil and BEd mandatory. Experience will be above 5 years and we have provided here the job description for this job position. Please go through it once and for further details you can contact with the phone number provided here, that is 86575 Next, there is a job opening for STP supervisor from Clare Aqua Engineering Services Private Limited located in Coimbatore location, Tamil Nadu. They are offering a salary for this position is 17,000 rupees per month. They are looking for an experienced candidate for water and wastewater and sewage treatment plants. You should know these languages, that is Tamil and Telugu languages. And the candidate with a similar field of experience are preferred for this job position. Maximum 8 years and minimum 4 years experience is needed. Education qualification will be BE or diploma. For further details, you can contact with the given phone number, that is 8939990170. Next, there is a job opening for front office executive. It is for female candidates from the TIPS Global Institute located in Coimbatore location. And these are the job responsibilities and the job description is mentioned here. And these are the requirements and the skills needed for this job position. You should read all the requirements and the skills what they have mentioned here for this job position. If you feel if you are suitable for this job position, please you can apply through the contact number, that is, and or else for further details you can contact with the phone number, that is 9626060776. Next, there is a job opening for receptionist or administration assistant from Sky Institute. They are offering a salary for this position is 9,000 rupees per month. They are looking for receptionist or administration assistant. It's a full-time job. Walk-in interview is there, and salary will be 9,000 rupees. It is a day shift. For this job position, education qualification will be diploma. For detailed information, you can contact with the phone number, that is 7399827399. Next, there is a job opening for non-voice process from hashtag Infosystems located in Coimbatore location, Tamil Nadu. They are offering a salary for this job position is 9,000 to 13,000 rupees per month. They are looking for non-voice process, and the candidate should need good communication skills and typing skills, and minimum 1 year of experience is required. Candidate should willing to work in night shift, and for this job position, for both males and females are eligible to apply for this job position. Weekend is off. For additional information, you can contact with the given phone number, that is 75400 Next, there is a job opening for relationship officer from MSC Financial Services Limited, located in Coimbatore location. Offering a salary range for this job position is 18,000 to 25,000 rupees per month. It's totally an online based job. The candidate should have an excellent, it is an excellent opportunity to start your career, and they are looking for energetic and dynamic candidates with excellent communication skills. And please check with the details provided here for this job position, and these are the job responsibilities and the skills needed, and please check with the information provided here. And for any queries, please contact with the given phone number 6380451715. Next, there is a job opening for admission coordinator. It is for female candidates from the TIPS Global Institute, and the candidate should have excellent communication skills for this job position, and he should assist in student admission process, explain the college policies and enrollment process to the students and their families, provide assistance to students in completing admission forms and other related paperwork, review the new student list with the admissions head, schedule student appointments and interviews for admission process, collaborate with team members to complete and validate the admission files of student. And these are the responsibilities for this job position. Please check with these ones. And these are the requirements for this job position. That is, candidate shall be graduate, undergraduate with 3 to 5 years of experience is needed. Candidate should have good communication skills, proficient in written and verbal English, and should be able to communicate in Tamil as well. Candidate shall be proficient with uses of internet and in MS Word, Excel and Outlook. Candidate should be able to work independently with minimum supervision. Candidate should be able to multitask, and these are the requirements and the skills needed for this job position. For additional information, you can contact with the given phone number, that is 9626060776. Next, there is a job opening for executive officer from Adi Honda, located in Coimbatore location. They are offering a salary for this position is 10,780 to 15,000 rupees per month. They are looking for executive officer. They have provided here the responsibilities and the job description and the skills needed for this job portion. Please read all the instructions what they have given carefully. And if any queries, please contact with the given phone number, that is 87540938883. There is a job opening for relationship officer from MSC Financial Services Limited, located in Coimbatore location, Tamil Nadu. They are offering a salary range for this job position is 9,674 to 27,505 rupees per month. and we have provided here the job description and the job responsibilities and the key skills needed for this job position. Please check with the details provided here, and you can contact with the given phone number for additional information. The contact number is 8072 325378. There is a job opening for security officer from Orange Sorting Missions India Private Limited, located in Coimbatore location. They are looking for security officer with reading and writing knowledge. Interested candidates can apply or walk into the interview below mentioned address. And this is the address details provided here. Please check with the address details. For this job position, male candidates are needed. Education qualification will be any degree. Minimum 3 years of work experience as a security officer is required for this job position. And we have mentioned here the responsibilities for this job position. Please check with the responsibilities as well. Next, there is a job opening for teaching assistant from Tamil Nadu Agricultural University, located in Coimbatore location. Offering a salary for this job position is 49,000 rupees per month. Only one vacancy is available. Freshers are eligible to apply for this job position. Education qualification will be ME or MTech, MPhil or PhD. Last date to apply for this job position is February 10th, 2021. Selection will be based on either written exam or interview. You can check in the website link provided here, and you will get more detailed information about this job position. And also you can apply using this website link provided here. Next, there is a job opening for junior research fellow from Amrita Vishwa Vidyapeetham University. It is located in Coimbatore location. They are offering a salary for this position is 25,000 rupees per month. Only one vacancy is available for this job position. Freshers can be eligible. And coming to education qualification, it will be MSc or ME or MTech candidates. Last date to apply for this job position is 8th February 2021. Selection procedure is mentioned here. Please go through it once, and for additional information, for more detailed information, you can visit this website link provided here and get more detailed information about this job position. Next, there is a job opening for junior research fellow from Sugarcane Breeding Institute. It is from Indian Council of Agricultural Research, located in Coimbatore location. They are offering a salary for this position is 35,000 rupees per month. You can apply for this job position using this website link. For this job position, only one vacancy is available. Salary range between 31 to 35,000 rupees per month. 1 to 3 years of experience is needed. Coming to education qualification, it will be MSc, ME or MTech. Last date to apply for this job position is 4th February 2021. Selection procedure is mentioned here. Please go through it once. And for further details, you can visit this website link and get more detailed information about this job position. Next, there is a job opening for non-voice process from Hashtag Infosystems, located in Coimbatore. And there are openings for international non-voice candidates. It is a US shift, Coimbatore location. They are looking for candidates with excellent communication skills in English and experience in either UK or US projects. Minimum 1 year of experience is needed. US shift timings will be 7 p.m. to 5 a.m. and work 2 days week off. Salary is best in the industry, up to 1.6 lakhs per annum. Interested candidates, you can contact with the given address details, or else you can contact with the given phone number, that is 7540088591. Next, there is a job opening for corporate trainer from Information Evolution India Private Limited, located in Coimbatore location. They are offering a salary range for this job position is 2,50,000 to 3,50,000 rupees per year, and we have provided here the job description and the duties, responsibilities and the skills needed for this job position. Please go through it once and read all the instructions carefully about this job position. Interested candidates can apply using this given phone number, that is 8220017347. Next, there is a job opening for outbound voice process. It is a work from home. It is from Raptor Technologies India Private Limited. They are offering a salary for this position is 10,000 to 30,000 rupees per month. For this, functional English knowledge is mandatory and need to have closing skills and basic customer relationship management knowledge. And the candidate need to make outbound calls to the potential clients and create business opportunities. Experience in outbound sales or telecalling will be an added advantage for this job position. Please check with the information provided here for this job position. If you are comfortable with this job position, please contact with the given phone number, that is 8925523059. Next, there is a job opening for customer support executive from Isha Foundation, located in Tamil Nadu location, Coimbatore. And for this job position, education qualification will be master's degree. Skills will be senior management skills are needed. 4 to 6 years of experience is needed. It is for male candidates. And also we have provided here the job responsibilities. Please check with the information, that is job responsibilities and the skills required competencies, and all interested candidates you can apply using this email id, and also you can contact with the phone numbers provided here. Next, there is a job opening for production assembler from Neurotronics Systems India Private Limited. They are offering a salary for this position is 8,000 to 24,000 rupees per month. They are looking for male or female candidates, and vacancy immediate. Any degree candidates can be any degree or diploma candidates are preferred for this job position. You can contact with the given phone number for additional information, that is 9791 999556. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members and subscribe the channel for more updated videos. Thanks for watching the video, friends.